There is a common doubt amongst candidates that during the discussion, if the situation goes like a fish market, how to handle it. Especially during the PPTT discussion, the GD goes absolutely ballistic. There is nobody listening to anyone. Everybody's shouting at the top of their voices. Now, how to handle this situation? It should go as follows. First and foremost is make sure that you do not speak up when the noise level is very, very high. When everybody's shouting, there is no point in making a point at that stage, because then your voice will get drowned. So first thing is choose the right opportunity or moment to make your point. So instead of 15 people speaking at one time, when there are just 4 to 5 people speaking, that is when you should make an entry. And when you make an entry, make sure that you draw attention of others and the assessors before you make a point, rather than straight away making a point, because once again, then you will not call for attention of others. So how do you draw attention? By saying something like, gentlemen, I have a point to make here, or gentlemen, I would like to add to chest number so-and-so's point. So now even the candidates are not going to keep quiet, they'll continue to keep shouting. However, the assessors will now know that so-and-so chest number is about to speak now, and he did make a fairly relevant story during the narration part. He was all right, he showed some spark. So they will now concentrate on you and see what you're about to speak. Now, when you speak at this stage, it should be a real valid point. Now, you can't lose this opportunity by making a very frivolous point, which is not going to make any impact on them. So make sure that the point that you make at this stage is the one which is going to really make a difference to what is being discussed over there. So make a real relevant point that shows your awareness level, your maturity level, also how you connect with your immediate environment. It should be brought out during this point that you make at that stage. Now, the next thing is that when you have made this point, it should firstly be in context with what someone has already spoken. It should not be out of context. And the second very, very important point is that you must connect with everybody around you when you're making this point. So don't just speak up in the air. Throughout this GD, you should remain connected with other people around you in the group. So it is good to make eye contact with them and kind of nod their head when somebody is speaking, kind of encourage someone who's made a point and say that so-and-so chest number has made a very valid point. Or, somebody who's trying to speak and not getting a chance to speak a couple of times he tried, no harm in saying that I think chest number 4 wants to say something, let's hear him out. So like that, you should be seen as a person who is nice to other people. So if you are good to other people and you connect with them very well, definitely when you want to speak, they will allow you to speak. So just keep these few fundamentals in your mind when you participate in a GD, which is very, very chaotic. I'm sure these tips are going to help you out. Thank you so much.